Alright, baby, here it is. There's the magazine, and I don't know if you see that black thing right there. That's what loads them. You pull it back. See, it's hard to do with one hand. And I better do this. Pull it back, drops BB down, pull it again, loads another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, until they're all gone. And that's it. Little thing loads them in there, and there's a spring right there that pulls it back. It looks kind of rough, but it works. I love you, baby. I'll talk to you in a minute.